If you require to replace staples on any of our finishers, please firstly walk up to the device. If you have the internal finisher, please firstly open the front cover and using the green guides, open the finisher. Please now remove the empty staple cartridge and replace with the new staples. Once this has been completed, close the finisher and cover. If you have an external finisher and wish to replace the top staples, please open the cover and remove the empty cartridge and replace. Then close the cover. If you wish to replace saddle stitch staples, please open the cover and in the lower area slide out the staple unit and the left hand side can now be lifted to aid staple replacement. Please now replace the staple cartridges as shown. Once this has been completed, please slide the unit into place and close the cover.